What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I have a very important update on Jasmy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with a little recap. This was Jasmy in my video just 2 weeks ago. We were trading at just over half of a penny, and I had it drawn in a bull flag. I called out the bullish divergence and the fact that it was using the 21-day moving average as support. And as you guys can see, Jasmy broke out of that flag almost perfectly. And had you guys taken this trade, you could have made up to 29% gains in just over a week, which are actually incredible gains. And I actually have some big news. So this is for those of you guys that enjoy making gains in the crypto market. I have recently launched a private Discord through Patreon. If you look at the memberships, I have a trader tier, an exclusive tier, and a VIP tier. And there are so many benefits to joining my Discord. Now, the trader option is the most basic option. It's for those of you guys that enjoy seeing trade setups, very similar to what I had Jasmy drawn in. And then the next two tiers, the exclusive tier and the VIP tier. These are more for those of you guys that want to see my buy alerts, my sell alerts, my consideration alerts, and the cryptos I am currently holding. I will even personally review your portfolio, and I will give my brutally honest opinion in order to help you maximize your gains for the next bull run. But regardless, I think joining any of these tiers is going to give you a significant leg up on the competition heading into the next bull market. I have a lot of crypto gems posted in here that YouTube has not even seen yet. But anyways, Jasmy has retraced to just over half of a penny. Its market cap is 267 million, which ranks 167th among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is 49.2 billion out of a max supply of 50 billion, which is just over 98% in circulation. And if you guys are looking to trade Jasmy, I recommend using Binance or KuCoin. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll hop into some Jasmy news. So this is their Twitter, which has 103,000 followers. But the major news is what they just posted 3 hours ago. So Jasmy has recently formed a strategic partnership with the crypto exchange XT.com exchange. In 2024, Jasmy is set to make even greater strides. Your continued support is greatly appreciated. Congratulations. Now, as I say in most of my videos, pretty much every time you see a new partnership that's going to be bullish for a project, because it shows that that project is continuing to grow and develop. And then this is what Jasmy reposted 6 hours ago. Embark on the New Year crypto journey with XT.com. Share New Year gifts of Ethereum, XT, Jasmy, and trial bonuses. And they have this listed as an airdrop and a giveaway. So if you guys are interested, they have the details listed in the post. But now we'll go over some macro news that could affect Jasmy's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Jasmy. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter. Now, in order for the newer tweets to make sense, I need to first show you what they posted January 3rd. So $540 million liquidated from the crypto market in the past 4 hours. And supposedly that was due to the speculation of an ETF rejection. And as you guys can see, if you look at the current Jasmy chart, Jasmy was definitely not exempt from that drop. And if you watched my most recent Jasmy video, I actually said that Jasmy looked phenomenal on the daily time frame. But the number one thing you needed to watch is that Jasmy did not break beneath the 21-day moving average. And I will go deeper into that in just a second. But the point is, the speculation of this ETF completely dropped a lot of cryptos. However, pretty much every single tweet after that has been doing nothing but confirming that the ETFs are going to get approved. In fact, if you look at the most recent tweet just 18 hours ago, just in, spot Bitcoin ETF approval is as close to done as we've been. And that was said by a senior Bloomberg ETF analyst. And then all of these posts, Valkyrie files registration of securities with SEC for its spot Bitcoin ETF. Van Eck did the exact same thing. Grayscale did the same thing. Fidelity did the same thing. So just understand, there's a pretty good chance that these ETFs do get approved within the next week, as the supposed approval date was January 5th through January 10th of 2024. And I know most of you guys are probably tired of hearing about these ETFs, but the reality is that they can significantly affect price action. So you need to pay attention to them. And lastly, just because we're already on X, go give your boy a follow. I'm going to start trying to build out my X account, and I'm going to be posting on there pretty much every day. So go hook your boy up. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Jasmy on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys taken this initial bull flag trade, you could have made up to 29% gains in a week. But then right after that, in my most recent Jasmy video, the trade did not play out. And this is a very good teaching moment. So I had Jasmy drawn in some sort of a little bull flag pattern, very similar to this. And what I was saying is that you needed to make sure that price action did not break beneath the 21-day moving average. If that happened, I would shift bearish in the short term. So if you were watching that, you would have seen that price action had closed the candle right beneath it. And then we had exactly what I warned about, a bearish retest. So the second you saw that, you should have shifted bearish. But anyways, what am I saying right now? So the RSI and Stochastics have pretty much completely reset. In addition, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI swings from a higher low to a lower low. which is a huge reversal Class A bullish divergence, which typically signals a local bottom has been reached. So based off that alone, I would not be surprised if we get a bounce. In addition, you could also argue that Jasmy is forming a falling wedge, which break up 68% of the time. And this has a measured move up to 0.0073, which would be some very nice gains. However, I also want to be clear, if we cannot get back above the 21-day moving average or at least the 50-day moving average, I'm going to remain bearish in the short term, even with the indicators I just showed. And yes, they look very bullish, but it is crucial that we get back above these moving averages. Now, lastly, I'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins, and Bitcoin has been very indecisive recently. I was initially very bullish when it was trading in this bull flag and using the 21-day moving average as support, and I said we have a measured move to over $48,000. But then price action created a double top and we started to drop, and we actually broke beneath the 21-day moving average. But then recently there's been a lot of market manipulation with the ETF news. But purely from a technical analysis standpoint, Bitcoin does not look too bad on the daily. Right now it's trading above the 21-day moving average. The RSI and Stochastics are in a decent spot, and then price action swings from a lower low to a higher low, whereas the RSI makes a double bottom, which is Class C bullish divergence. So again, if it was only technical analysis, I think Bitcoin looks pretty good, and I think there's actually a decent chance we hit 48,000. However, just understand there is going to be a lot of news coming out about the Bitcoin spot ETFs, which will heavily influence price action. So if you're going to take a trade, don't take it based on technical analysis. Take it based on whether or not you think the Bitcoin spot ETFs are going to get approved or rejected. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.